The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Matamlay na ba ang sex life? Stress? Pagod at problemado? Wala na bang ibubuga pagdating sa kama? Red Alingatong! Red Alingatong! Para balik sigla ang buhay may asawa. Nakakatulong din sa menstrual problems, internal bleeding, prostate enlargement, sexual performance enhancement. Nakaka-regulate din ng menstrual cycle.
Red Alingatong capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong capsule. FDA approved.
Red Alingatong capsule available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, Zambales, available nationwide at leading drugstores. Sa Red Alingatong capsule, gagaling ka dito.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 FM, Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. Time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. This is your best source for the latest Subic Bay Freeport news and info. All right. Here's the one of the latest updates from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Over the weekend, the SBMA Ecology Center were able to collect 21 kilograms of PET bottles, 1.5 kilograms of tin cans, 13 or 18 kilograms of light metals, 9 kilograms of plastic assorted, and 3 kilograms of white plastic, 264 kilograms of cartons, 34.5 kilograms of glass bottles. That's a lot. All right. And a whole lot more over the weekend as they had the recyclables collection na magiging regular na in the housing areas. Okay? Spearheaded, of course, by SBMA Ecology Center. And according to SBMA Ecology Center Department Head, Miss Ameth Panlilio de la Liana. Ayan, sabi niya magiging regular na to every weekend, I guess. Yes, tama ba? Oh yeah, okay. In fact, the next one is gonna be on July 13. Ayan, Saturday. Okay, from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at the vacant lot near Gobstopper, Kalayaan, Subic Bay Freeport. Okay, so we're calling on all residents there in the Subic Bay Freeport. Okay, please do join the next one this coming weekend, which is July 13, 2024. Once again, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at the vacant lot near Gobstopper, Subic Bay Freeport. So basically, Madam Ameth is calling on all true blue environmental champions, nature lovers, environmentalists, and to all who genuinely believe that we should protect our environment. Ayan, okay? So regular na. They will be collecting recyclables in the Biniktikan area. Those who will participate may proceed to the vacant lot near Gobstopper that the location mentioned. Okay? So, yung mga pwede nyong dalhin carton boxes, bottles, tin cans, plastics, bubble wraps, from online shopping. Dami pa naman nag-online shopping, ano? Used plastics, carton boxes, and a whole lot more. Mga pwedeng i-recycle. I think pwede rin dyan yung mga sirang electronics, di ba? Nire-recycle din yan eh. Especially for its parts and components. Di ba? Nare-recycle yan eh. Okay? And of course, the SBMA Ecology Center would like to thank their partners for this really worthwhile and significant event. Tetra Pak Philippines and Fuchi Trading. Salamat sa suporta. Okay? So again, if you live in Biniktikan or if you have friends or someone you know who lives in Biniktikan, please let them know that you guys there in Biniktikan are gonna be doing this regularly na, the recyclables collection. Okay? So again, the venue, kita-kits lang dun, punta lang kayo. The venue is at the Gobstopper vacant lot near Gobstopper. Not Gobstopper, the vacant lot near Gobstopper. Ang gulo ko, no? Ang kulit. 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Alright? Okay. So again, we'd like to thank Madam Ameth de la Liana for the info. Ayan. Part of our dailies na to. Ang panawagan natin sa mga residents na pwedeng mag-participate dyan. Siyempre naman. Okay? Alright? Siguro my question would be, paano kung hindi taga dun sa Biniktikan at gustong magdala? If they live nearby, siguro sa Kalayaan housing area, baka pwede rin, no? As this develops, I'll update you guys, okay? All right, so there you have it. And time now for some of the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan, may mga invite sila sa inyo, okay? Check out the Our Home, all right? Sectional sofa. The Cepas sectional sofa, less 10,000 pesos this month of July at Our Home. So visit Our Home at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Doon po matatagpuan yung Our Home, okay? So get 10,000 worth of savings. Dating 42,950, 32,950 na lang. The sofas, Cepas pala, sectional sofa, a modern, contemporary, sleek sectional sofa upholstered in fabric made from Gamelina solid wood and has wooden legs. Okay? 3 years foam warranty pa. Okay? So don't miss on the huge savings. Visit Our Home now. Third level, SM Central. Okay? And next up we have the H&M sale. Up to 50% off. It's up until August. Okay, so you guys head on to H&M. It's located at the ground floor of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, and CBTL drink upsize for free. Okay, from the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, located inside the SM store of SM Central. Smack it for a refreshing treat. SMAC it. SM Advantage card, that is. Okay. This one runs from July 1 to September 30. Free drink upsize at CBTL, second level, SM Central. Okay. Inside the SM store. And also do check out the SM Home mid-year clearance sale, June 27 until August 4, up to 50% off on selected items. So head on to SM Home for the mid-year clearance sale. And SM Downtown invites you to visit Kuwan Cafe, now open at the ground level of SM Downtown. Okay? For those who loves coffee, give it a try. Kuwan Cafe, ground level SM Downtown. Also located, now open also at the SM Downtown, is Surgilite. It's at the level 3. Okay? Yung mga magaganda na, lalo pang gaganda. Magpa-beauty at Surgilite. Third level, SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? And aside from Surgilite, Vibes Massage is also open. Aside from magpa-beauty, magpa-relax naman. Check out Vibes Massage at the level 3 of SM Downtown. And also located at SM Downtown, level 3 din, the Oppo store. Okay? Check out the latest cell phone units from Oppo. The latest in Oppo technology. Once again, third level, SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? And lastly, Ace Hardware is having the mid-year sale, mid-year clearance sale, that is, until July 15, 2024. So visit Ace Hardware now. Up to 50% off on selected items. Okay? And here's our next cool Friday Rewind song. No, not Friday Rewind. Friday Rewind was over the weekend. Tapos na yun. Lunes pa lang yun. I think I did coffee. This is Damn Regret from the Red Jumpsuit Apparatus 895 Subic